Here we have a 2019 BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights, two gloss black front kidney grills. We have the gloss black front splitter, as well as the full performance kit as well. Side skirts along the bottom, we have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae just there. We also have the rear spoiler lip as well. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have a reversing camera as well. Dual exit exhaust at the rear just down there. Coming back round now to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior now, coming into the back first, you'll find that we have the full black leather interior. You may have noticed just there the ambient lighting on the doors. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points. We have the M Performance style seat belts just there. Separate climate control for the rear passengers as well just down there. Along with the vents, we have the electric windows on the doors, again the ambient lighting, premium Harman Kardon sound system as well. Coming into the front you'll find that we have the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Again, the M Sport style seat belts, electric windows on the doors which are locked for the rear, electric mirrors, ambient lighting and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the auto lights just down there, the auto wipers as well, multifunctional steering wheel just down here. If we take a seat inside, you find that we have the heated steering wheel button just there. Paddle shifters on either sides. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter as well. We have the digital dashboard up top, so if we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find that we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we can switch between different views by pressing this button just on the side of the stalk there. So you can see we have the radio just there. We can also have all these other options as well if we just flick between them, as you can see. Also, if we put it into sport mode, you'll find it changes just like that as well, or back into hybrid. Moving over into the center console, you'll find the main infotainment screen. On here you'll find the likes of the sat nav. We also have a range of media such as the radio. You'll also find the Spotify music collection, the Bluetooth audio and the screen mirroring as well. We have the phone connectivity just there. We have a range of apps as well, such as the Amazon Alexa. We also have the lap timer just down here as well. We have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto as well. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing camera and also the parking sensors. This screen is flickering, that is just the camera, it's not like that in reality. Put it back into park though. Go onto the home, you'll find all these options just here. So if we go into car, go into the settings, this is where you'll find the interior ambient lighting just there. As you can see, we've got a few colours to choose from. So if we go on to orange, for example, you'll find it changes to orange just there. Nice wooden finish as well, just on the centre there. If we go back onto the settings, just carry on going back down onto the settings. Up onto the driving information. This is where you'll find the sport displays just there, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have all the different drive modes, so we have the sport drive mode, the hybrid, electric and also the adaptive as well. Let's put it back into hybrid though. Further down you'll find this button just here for the intelligent safety, making it a very safe car to drive. We also have the climate control with the heated seats either side, all working just as it should do. We have some storage space just inside of here with the wireless phone charging, a USB port, 12-volt connectivity and two good sized cup holders. Gear stick just here, all of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, a range of buttons with all of the drive modes just there, electric handbrake, auto hold. We also have a nice leather armrest just here which can be opened up for more storage. Instead of there you find a Type-C USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention we also have the heads-up display just up there. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Thank you for watching.
video test drive of this 2019 69 plate BMW 330e. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm not as fast with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, so going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now you do have your cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side, your paddle shift on the rear for which you see the camera manual mode. You also get a heated steering wheel. Now you do get over £6,000 worth of optional extras included on this vehicle, such as the heads-up display, the integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which are the premium large speakers and do sound absolutely incredible. We have your M Sport Plus package, and you do also get lots of other features as well, such as the oak trim all over the interior. We have your screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation, you have Bluetooth mini, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front to rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera. You have your digital dash just in front of me as well. Now you do get different drive modes on this vehicle, so you do get your adaptive, you also get your full electric mode, your hybrid mode, and also your sport mode, which is called your extra boost mode. Now I like to leave it in the hybrid mode, so it's a bit of both, so the petrol engine and also the electric motors, as this is a hybrid vehicle. Now the screen in the centre can be controlled from the touchpad down here, or it is touchscreen. It's entirely up to you. You have your gesture control just there, so you can move your fingers like that to turn the radio up and also change your radio station and do lots of other features there as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership. We have over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are as a buy for and how caring of a company you actually are. So pulling into the industrial state now, I'm going to take a right, going to put on emergency stop, I'll be straight into reverse, just showing that the brakes work exactly how I'd expect them to. And you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear camera. So emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard anti brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see the camera just there. You also get your park assist on this vehicle. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now throughout all our cars, we do offer free nationwide next day delivery. So wherever you are in the country, we can facilitate that free nationwide delivery. Whether you're up in Scotland or down in Cornwall, Devon way, we can facilitate that delivery. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video test drive. I hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.